Okay, now let's welcome back to my analysis. It is good to update people on how the market is. And actually, I have seen this trade. I wanted to analyze it, but I had some doubt on it, and then I seen let me update you on it because actually it has something interesting. If you are watching some our previous analysis on this particular pair, you are aware that by now it has hit our monthly target. If you are used to watch the previous Euro USD analysis, they are hit here. That is why we are expecting it to go up to, and also there is this lower trend structure below it. Let's go to the weekly. Nothing much. You can see the market has come to a target here. Now it is now deciding what to do next because we don't know what may happen next. So let us go to the daily time frame, and you can see that it lifts up to this particular point, but it reached. That will be only seen when you go to the 4 hour. You are going to see the candle which closed which closed when the market was closing was a bearish candle. That signifies the market is trying to reject the structure. However, we don't know how things will unfold. We don't know because as stated in the DXY or the USD index, the USD index is in a major structure also. And if the market of the USD dollar, the USD index decide to respect the structure, then automatically it will affect this unless euro becomes very strong than the USD so that it can be able to break this structure to the upside. Let us use the daily time frame to demonstrate that. So it has first of all to come break this structure to the upside. Then from there on upon retesting it, let us adjust this thing a bit. So the market has to come here, break this structure, retest the structure again, then move towards the upside direction. So when it does that, we are going to update you on how to approach it. But meanwhile, let us see how it will behave. Since you can see this structure here, let us see how it will behave when the market opens. That is what I can say. I cannot tell you currently where it will move or not, but technically if it choose to drop, it will go up to around this particular place for a possible short. But that is if the market remains below it, there is a high chance of a bearish trade. I'll update you on this pair and enjoy your weekend. More videos will be produced, and also you can go to our YouTube channel. We also produce educative materials. You'll get them in there.